Hey there, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install a free AI coding assistant for command line interface. I mean for CLI or command prompt. All right. So to install this, at first you have to have Node.js in your PC. So go to the command prompt cmd, open it, and say here node-v to check that if you have Node.js installed in your PC or not. In this case, I have installed Node.js. Here you can see the version. If you don't see this, it means you have to actually install Node.js in your PC. So go to the browser and go for Node.js org. So why we need Node.js? Because to install that AI coding assistant, we have to write here a command, and that command contain npm. So for this, we need to download Node.js in our PC. Here you can see the .msi option. You can actually download this. I mean, by clicking here, then it will be actually start downloading, and then you have to install it in your PC. And after that, if you go for the command prompt once again, and then if you type node-v, you will get the version. Now, I will show you how you can actually download and install this coding assistant for the command line interface. So to download this, you have to say npm. Now you can actually say here npm, right? Because we have installed Node.js. All right. npm I for the installation, then -g to install it globally. It means you can access it from anywhere in your PC. And then space, then you have to say open code -ai. All right. Open code -ai, then add latest. So latest for the latest version, so it will actually start installing. If you hit enter, then it will be actually start installing in your PC. I mean, at first you will download and then install it. Okay. Now I already installed it in my PC. Let me show you. If you say here open code -version after the installation, you will get the version. And if you hit enter here, you can see I got the version here. And now I can actually access open code anywhere from my PC. Now let's say I want to open this PC, and let's say I want to open command line interface here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say here a new folder, let's say, and I will say test-assistant. Okay. And here I will go inside the project, I mean folder, and then here in the address bar here you can see I have to say cmd, and I will hit enter to open command prompt here. Now here if I say open code -version, it means I can actually access the open code version. Here you can see, I mean I can access open code, right? Why? Because I have installed it globally. Now how it will actually help me to I mean for as an assistant. So to work with open code, you have to actually open code here. Now hit enter to start open code here, and you will find open code within short time. Here you can see. Now let's say I want to create let's say a project. So it will actually create my project. Now in my project, if I have any mistake, then if I mention the mistake here or the issue here, then it will fix all the issues also. And this is totally free. You don't have to pay for it. So this is how you can actually create a long project also, and also the professional project. Give me an index.html file with error, and let me show you how it will actually work. Okay, so created, right? Here you can see we got the index.html. Now if I open it, here you can see broken image. We got here broken image. So to solve this issue, I will say that in my index.html file, I got broken image issue. And still, let me tell you one more thing, and that is, if you find any kind of error, actually you don't understand. I mean, you don't know about the error. So you can ask for the solve. Let's say you can say that I don't know the error, what is happening with my project. Just go through the project and solve the issues. Then it will actually go for the whole project. It will read the whole project and find the errors or issues, and then it will solve the issues. So as I mentioned, that in my index file I got broken image issue. So solve it. Okay, if I say here solve it, then if I hit enter, then it will actually solve the issue, and we have to wait for some times. Here you can see fix the broken image by replacing an image. Here you can see. So now if we open it once again in the browser, here you can see we got image here, right? Okay guys, this is how actually you can use OpenCode CLI as your coding assistant. If this video helps you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.